This is Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I wanted to give you a tour through our Carnival Cruise Line stateroom, and the tour will be given by Lexi, my daughter. It'll show you just how much space we have for a family of 5 in this room. We just got to our stateroom, and Lexi's going to give us a tour. We've already got 2 of our bags delivered, and it's about 2:06, and we got in here at 1:30. So show us the room, Lexi.
Okay, so you walk in here. There's like some cabinets with life vests just in case.
Okay.
And some just hanging space.
What are these black things?
The ladders to some of the beds.
The bunk beds? Okay.
Yes. And then you got just shelves in here with stuff. There's a safe to keep some stuff. More important things.
Okay. Here's all the life vests and extra bedding and hangers. Okay.
Then you walk in here. There's a mirror.
Okay.
And then here's a little desk with drawers.
Beware if you drink the water, so they cost $3.75.
Yeah.
And then they have a
little phone for like
phone
service.
Yep. Then where are the extra beds? So this is made for king settings.
Yeah. So there's someone that comes in here and sets up all your stuff for your bed. So there's gonna be.
So they come around 6 o'clock to set up the sleeping arrangements.
There's gonna be a bed right here because we have 5 people in our family. So my mom and my dad are gonna sleep here.
Okay.
My sister's gonna sleep here.
Okay.
I'm gonna sleep here, and my brother's gonna sleep here.
Okay. And then we got extra towels. Take me out. Sun needed. So beach towels and extra tables. What's that?
They have lights. They take a little bit to get on. And then they have 2 lights here.
Okay.
And
we have a porthole room. This is a stateroom on the U level. What about the bathroom? You want to give us a tour of the bathroom?
So, walk in here. See if you can get in.
Okay.
Small, very
It's
big.
tight, as you can see.
So, there's the toilet,
Okay.
the sink, and then the shower.
Okay. What's in the shower? What's that stuff on the wall?
There's like
Shower gel and shampoo.
Yeah. This is probably like body wash.
Extra towels. Very cool. All right, we'll try to give you a tour. Thank you, Lexi, for the tour.
Yeah.
We'll try to give you a tour once we get the beds all set up. But we're super excited. I'll give you one last glimpse of the view from our window. We have not left port yet. That it happens in 2 hours. So this is our view from the window. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.